how to fix Call of Duty download configuration failed error on Android. So if you want to fix Call of Duty download configuration failed error on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. After opening your settings, you need to just scroll down and then find developer options, or you can also search for developer options and make sure that your developer options is turned on. After turning on your developer options, you need to scroll down and then find an option of Wi-Fi scan throttling. Once you find the option, make sure that is turned on. And the next one is always keep mobile data on. You need to go and turn that on. And the next thing you need to do is check your internet speed. If you don't have a stable internet connection, then it might be an issue. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection, check your speed, and if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings again. And under settings, now you need to scroll down and go with apps section. After tapping on apps, you need to go with manage apps. And from manage apps, you need to go with search and then search for Call of Duty. Once you find Call of Duty, you need to tap on the permissions section. You need to tap on app permissions. Under app permissions, make sure that you allowed all of the permissions like photos and videos, location, music and audio. You need to go and select it and then go with allow. After allowing all of the permissions, you can also just simply go back and go with clear all data and go with clear cache. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then next thing you need to do is go with your Play Store, go with search, and here you need to search for Call of Duty. And if you have any updates on Call of Duty, you need to go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. You can go and restart it, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.